Hey guys, how you going? Autopilot here. Well, I've had a couple of questions regarding my Tello FPV app. Check it out on the screen there. I've just reviewed a new app for the Tello, which is nothing to do with the Ryze company. It's a third-party app, which is really cool. Return to home feature and a few other bits and pieces. I was doing the video and I thought, you know what? Picture quality from that thing was rubbish at around 70 odd meters. So I thought to myself, I might do a comparison with my Mii Wi-Fi extender and without my Mii Wi-Fi extender. I'm going to see just how much the picture improves. So I'm going to go to the same spot I flew the other day. Flew to about 70 meters and then the picture got all crappy and rubbishy, and basically it was only good for throwing out. So yeah, I'm going to go see if the Wi-Fi extender actually does improve picture quality from the Tello to your mobile device, because as we all know, there is no micro SD card recording on that, which is a real pity. Maybe the next version. Anyway, without further ado, let's cut to the editing and let's get out to the film. What a catch! This is taking far too long. Okay guys, welcome. I've just connected her up. So I've got the my Mii Wi-Fi extender on. So I'm going to go straight out first and do a video shoot with the Wi-Fi extender. Check out the picture quality. I won't touch anything, and then I'm going to do exactly the same flight without the Wi-Fi extender. See which one has a better picture. Okay, let's get cracking. Here, so I've got my pitch pretty aggressive. And it's on S for super fast, or V for very fast. So we'll stick her on S and let's get straight over there, shall we? Well, yes, you're quite correct. Before we go, let's hit that record button. Yeah, okay. I've got it returning to home at, I think, about, let me see here, at 9 meters, and I'm actually going to ask it to land at the same time. So I'll be interested to see how close to my helipad it actually does land when I do the return to home. So it's looking pretty dark at the moment. I might just check my exposure settings. Let's stick it on auto. For some reason it was on 0.7, so there we go. Okay, so over we go. Oh crikey, let's get a bit of air. I'm going to sit on 6 meters. 7, 8, 9, okay, I think we'll go on to 10, let's go on to 15 meters, shall we? Nice and high, there we go. So 15 meters. Before I started to lose picture at about 70 meters away, and straight away you can see I'm sitting on 74 meters and I've still got pretty awesome picture quality there. So that's working out really well for me. I might just go a little bit further. I might even sit under here in the comfort of a chair. It's looking good. 83 meters, 90 meters, and I'll just stop there. Quality, you can see, is still awesome. She's a bit jittery. I'm not too sure what's causing the jitters, but there's a couple of jitters there nonetheless. But I'm going to go a little bit further here because I'm certainly one to push the boundaries a bit. Oh crikey, I'm at 108 meters and I've still got awesome picture quality. and no, it's starting to go a bit funny now. I'm pretty happy with that, guys. Let's just spin it around. I'm trying to spin around slowly, but it is moving by itself, as you can see. I'll just see if I can adjust this. There we go. So if you change it to V rather than S, it'll actually improve the stability of it, which is pretty cool. And spin it around. Okay, the picture's starting to pixelate a little bit now. So we're on about 95 at the moment. Just wondering where those people are going to go, but that's alright. People are very interested in what you're doing, aren't they? So straight away it's a big win. It's a really good picture quality there, guys, so that's awesome. Sitting on around 70 meters. Okay, I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to try it now without the Mii extender and see how we go. Alright. I'm going to take off. A little bit of wind here, and yeah, it's a bit more positive this time, guys. It's recording. It might have something to do with my mobile device. I'm not sure. It was working the other day with the video I just created. Check it up on the screen if you haven't looked at it already. Anyway, let's just get over here and shoot some footage so we can compare the footage. And straight away I'm probably going to say, yeah, the Wi-Fi extender is a must if you have the Tello. If you have a Tello and you don't have a Wi-Fi extender, now you're crazy. So already I'm 16 meters up. I'm not sure how far I am, but I'm nowhere near where I was before. I'm just over there. That's already weak Wi-Fi signal. The picture's already disappearing and it's starting to jitter and pixelate too. So I'm going to bring it back because it's just nonsense. Yeah, in fact it's not even coming back now. What's going on? Alright, come on, back you come. So, yeah, awesome, guys. If you have yourself a Tello, get a Mii extender, Wi-Fi extender, link in the description, an absolute must. And again, I will have a look at why it wasn't recording to my mobile device with the other app, because I would have liked to use the other app, but this app's probably done the same thing. So we can see both pictures on the screen or something like that, hopefully. So let's bring it back home and kill some batteries. Yep, and she's in fast mode too, as you can see. It's pretty fast. Flyby. Get that battery dead, shall we? Of course, there's no return to home with this app, so Pretty impressed with this little Tello. Even more impressed when I use my extender, so I'm not going to do that again. Using this thing without an extender, it's a bad idea. Especially if you got low headroom like we have here. A real bad idea. Not too sure why, but anyway. Fun little drone, this thing. Good beginner drone. It's about 100, come down in price, about 130, 140 bucks at the moment. But flying it with our Mii extender just then was fantastic. I was right past those goalposts up the cliff there. Zero interference on the camera. Games to remote when that distance as well. Often that cuts out too and does all kooky things, but really good here today. So that's a big success, pretty happy. I'm going to bring her into land. Come on, land. Let's cheat a bit. Okay, here we go. Touchdown. Good stuff. There you have it, guys. Little power pack, little Tello. I'll investigate the app. I think you guys will probably agree with me that yeah, the little Mii extender. The little Mii extender, this little device here, yeah, can save you a hell of a lot of trouble. Absolute must. And it's only about 15 bucks, so that and the Tello hand in hand. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, fill in the poll, drop us a comment, and I'll see you in the sky.